The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Omni promises powerful automated home cleaning with 30,000 pascals of suction and an innovative self-cleaning roller mop. This premium robot vacuum handles significant messes and pet hair, while its Omni Dock provides extensive automation. We explore if its advanced features deliver on performance and value. Check the link in the description for the best price. This chart examines how well the DEEBOT T90 Omni performs its core cleaning functions in real-world scenarios. Hard floor mopping is a main strength because the continuously cleaned roller applies consistent, strong contact to tackle grime effectively. Its vacuuming power is impressive, offering substantial suction headroom with a 30,000 PA claim to lift dust and pet hair from various surfaces. The dock automation is highly convenient, handling mop washing, drying, self-emptying, and water management to significantly reduce manual labor. While its advanced sensors are promising for navigation, early reviews indicate that mapping can sometimes be inconsistent, requiring careful user oversight. The T90 Omni shows strong potential in its core cleaning functions, particularly with its mopping and suction power. However, navigation is an area that still needs consistent improvement. This section evaluates whether the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Omni provides sufficient value for its premium cost. The mopping innovation is a strong value point, with its roller architecture offering a more effective and continuous clean than traditional spinning pads. The value for maintenance automation is high, as the Omni Dock significantly reduces manual intervention for everyday recurring tasks. For pet owners, its high suction and anti-tangle hardware are very attractive, though real-world effectiveness for hair pickup has shown mixed results. The competitive value for this flagship model is mixed, as its impressive specifications need consistent software execution to stand out from rivals. The T90 Omni provides significant value through its advanced mopping and comprehensive automation. However, its overall competitive standing relies heavily on software refinement. This chart highlights potential issues and areas where buyers might face challenges with the DEEBOT T90 Omni. Software consistency is a key concern, as early reports detail mapping errors and sometimes inconsistent carpet handling, which can impact daily use. The long-term reliability is still unestablished, given that firmware maturity and overall product longevity require more time to be thoroughly proven. Even with its self-cleaning system, regular maintenance is still required for the tanks, dock, roller, and filters to ensure optimal long-term performance. Data privacy is a consideration since AI cameras and connected features necessitate careful attention to account security practices. Buyers should be aware of potential risks concerning early software maturity and long-term reliability. Despite automation, ongoing manual maintenance is required, and connected features raise privacy questions. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Omni presents an impressive package of powerful suction and innovative roller mopping, supported by extensive dock automation. However, early buyer experiences reveal some inconsistencies in software and mapping. This makes it a conditional buy for those prioritizing cutting-edge features and willing to adapt to firmware updates. It is a technically advanced cleaner that will likely improve with maturity.